Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be talking about these two products from Ayuga. I have their 1% Chandanam face wash as well as the 5% Chandanam night gel. Both of these products have the goodness of sandalwood in it, and sandalwood is an age-old remedy for any of your skin concerns. So if you are curious about the products and my thoughts on them, then stay tuned. So I was really excited to try these two products from Ayuga, and one of the reasons that I really like Ayuga is because not a lot of Ayurvedic brands available in India disclose their full percentage of the ingredients or even disclose the ingredient list, while Ayuga as a brand not only discloses its ingredient list but also the exact amount of Ayurvedic herbs as well as the ingredients present in it. This particular brand is also vegan and cruelty free, which is a great thing. They are not only super affordable, but their packaging is something that I really like. They have this rose gold aesthetics that I die for. Now in our modern day lifestyle, we just can't get raw chandan and use it in our daily skincare routine, which is first of all a lot of hassle and a lot of work. So this particular range from Ayuga has a lot of options, including face wash, night gel, which has the goodness of chandanam or sandalwood in it, but in a modernized and much more user-friendly product such as your normal face wash, normal moisturizer that you can include in your modern day lifestyle, which has the goodness of Ayurveda in it. All of the Ayuga products are certified by MaitrayEee as toxin free. But without any further ado, we are going to talk about the product itself. The 1% Chandanam face wash has the goodness of sandalwood, turmeric and 28 precious herbs, which is also predominant in this Chandanam range. Now because this is a face wash, we are going to talk about surfactants. Surfactant used in this particular face wash is first of all mild and gentle, but also cleanses your skin. Now in the ingredient list itself, I couldn't find any fragrance at all, but it has a mild chandan ka fragrance that I absolutely love, which comes from the 1% chandanam or the sandalwood oil that they have used. As for the texture, it is a gel based face wash and it lathers off beautifully. It also has this cooling sensation whenever you are applying it, and that is one of the properties of chandan that I really like because it is very cooling, and one of the main reasons chandan was considered really great for redness, inflammation, any kind of acne problems. Not only cleanses your skin but makes your skin more bright and radiant after each usage. It has ingredients like chandan, haldi and a lot of other precious herbs that nourishes your skin and also protects it. Now this particular 5% chandanam night gel has an amazing gel-like texture which is super nice to apply. It has again a cooling sensation, and it is a one-stop solution for all of your uneven skin tone and even pigmentation problems. I've been recently following this simple nighttime routine which only I use two products. Only I use a face wash and this particular night gel. It is super cooling onto your skin and it is again super hydrating as well as nourishing. It has an adequate amount of humectants and emollients as well as the sandalwood and turmeric. Let us talk about some key ingredients that are predominant in these two products. First of all is sandalwood. Now sandalwood is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and it has this cooling effect that each of these products give you as soon as you apply them. It also is known for fighting off tan and reducing that burning sensation, especially after UV exposure. It is known for its antiseptic properties, which reduces inflammation, blemishes and itchiness. Now turmeric or haldi is a great source of antioxidant. It is great for fighting off tan, uneven skin tone, sun damage and overall brightening of your skin. These products also has the goodness of vetiver, which is great because it moisturizes and hydrates your skin. It is also known to balance out the pH of your skin as well as correcting uneven skin tone problems. It also works amazingly in inflammation and healing of your acne. Lastly, manjishta, which is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. It helps cure acne and skin infections. It is also known for correcting your overall skin tone and unevenness since ages. Now let us talk about the application itself. It is a face wash, so just apply like a face wash. Have a pea-sized amount, rub it between your palm and apply it onto your face. Lather it up, massage it gently on your face and wash it off. After the face wash, I like to go straight with this particular moisturizer or a night gel, which is great because the texture itself is super nice, super lightweight, yet it moisturizes, penetrates deep down, to give you the hydration that you need, also helping you out with your uneven skin tone, pigmentation, dark spot, acne marks, and obviously a little bit of fine lines and wrinkles, as these are all the properties of the ingredients present in these particular products. Coming on to the price point, both of them are super affordable. The face wash costs something about 299 rupees for 100 ml, and the night gel costs about 699 rupees for 50 gram. Both of them can be purchased directly from Ayuga's website, and by using this code right here, you get flat 20% off. These products are also available in Amazon, Nykaa, and Flipkart, and don't worry, all of the necessary links would be mentioned in the bottom box below. Now, our mums and grandmas always told us about these amazing benefits of Chandanam. Now, they have been using Chandanam in their routine in form of oils or like powders, and it requires a long time to prepare them. But the benefits they get by using Chandan is absolutely mind-blowing. This is the stuff that we have been hearing a lot from our grandmas and moms, and the goodness of Ayurveda that they have experienced personally. So imagine having that benefit in your modern day skincare, such as face wash, night gel, sunscreen, etc. To me, that sounds amazing. Now, Chandanam is known for correcting your uneven skin tone and helping out with suntan, and overall helping you to achieve a soft, supple, and even toned skin. And by using these products right here, it will help you with all of your skincare goals. Ayuga's products and rituals are developed under the guidance of leading Ayurveda and yoga experts. Now, because there is an Ayurveda and inclusion of Ayurveda and face yoga, that's something that Ayuga is known for, each of their products have a QR code that you can scan, and it will help you in knowing a little bit more about face yoga ritual, which is a really nice fun little activity for you to get into skincare. And this is something that is really great, because if you are starting off with skincare and skincare seems boring to you, fun little rituals or face yoga like this makes you more intrigued to trying and applying skincare. Now, personally, I've been using these two products since about 3 to 4 weeks, and I've been loving them. Not only they are super simple to use, but also they show their efficacy and their effectiveness on your skin since the first time that you have used. And I obviously love them for not only their packaging, their pricing, but also the overall textural part and the formulation of these products. They're super lightweight in texture, which makes them all skin type friendly, and they are accessible and affordable, so it makes it a great choice for any of you guys who are looking into a potential easy to use solution for all of your skincare goals. I would absolutely recommend you guys to use these two products, and let me know how you think of this video in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification, and I will see you in the next one. So bye bye and take care.